Welcome to today's review for the Weatherized outdoor security camera, where I go over some of its functions, real-life demonstrations, and how to use it. It does come included with a charging cable, the user manual, a charger block, the microSD card reader adapter, and the camera itself with its sleek design, magnetic bottom, and a charging port in the back, along with the on and off switch of the Wi-Fi and 4G. You also have the reset button, micro SD card slot, and the SIM card slot. With its ability to be fixed, magnetically placed, or rotated, this camera's 110-degree field of view allows you to capture almost anything. When you have the camera powered on and connected to your phone Wi-Fi, you're able to directly connect it to the application by hitting Direct Connect. From there, you should be able to get a live stream, change the resolution, even do other features as screen record, or connect it to your home Wi-Fi so you can remotely access it. Other features can also be found in the app, such as viewing photo or other media that you captured. You can also connect it to a computer, where from there you can open up the files you want to select and skim through the days that you want to view. You can also copy, delete, and manage your files that way too. For a real-life demonstration, let's go ahead and take a look here at the back studio. Here's a demonstration with the light off completely, night vision, and in daytime. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give us a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for future products like this at spycenter.com.